Looking to build a Ryzen-powered PC that delivers speed and reliability? The ASUS AM4 motherboard is engineered for 2nd and 3rd general AMD Ryzen processors, offering top-tier connectivity with support for up to 2 drives and USB 3. 2 Gen 2 ports. This means faster data transfers and smoother multitasking, perfect for gamers and creators who demand more from their systems. What sets this motherboard apart is its enhanced power solution. It features military-grade tough components, a Pro-Cool socket, and DigiPlus VRM technology to ensure maximum durability and stable power delivery. Whether you're pushing your system to its limits or running intensive applications, you can count on consistent performance without compromise. Heat management is critical in high-performance builds, and ASUS doesn't cut corners here. The board includes an active PCH heatsink, VRM heatsink, and M.2 heatsink, along with hybrid fan headers and FanExpert software. This combination keeps your system cool and quiet, letting you focus on what matters without worrying about overheating. Connectivity options are next level with dual PCIe 4.0 2 slots and USB 3. 2 Gen 2 Type A and Type C ports. These features provide lightning-fast access to your data and peripherals, reducing bottlenecks whether you're transferring large files or streaming high-resolution content. It's a solid foundation for future-proofing your setup. Networking is just as important, and ASUS delivers with an exclusive Realtek L8200A Gigabit Ethernet controller, Intel 2x2802. 11 AC Wi-Fi with MU-MIMO support, Bluetooth 5.0, and TUF Langard technology. This ensures stable, low-latency connections whether you're gaming online or collaborating remotely. One crucial tip: if you're installing a Ryzen 5000 series CPU, make sure your BIOS is up to date. Visit the ASUS website, search your motherboard model, and download the latest BIOS under the Support tab. This simple step guarantees compatibility and unlocks the full potential of your processor. Users from the United States praise the ASUS motherboard for its straightforward installation. One first-time Windows builder highlighted the excellent manual and the smooth setup process that required no tech support. The system powered on immediately, proving the reliability and user-friendly design ASUS is known for. If you want a motherboard that balances cutting-edge features with rock-solid durability, this ASUS AM4 board is worth a look. It's designed to maximize your Ryzen experience with stable power, superior cooling, and next-gen connectivity. Try it when you're ready to build a PC that stands out in performance and reliability.